Creating and launching a product. How hard can it be? Meet modern-day business owners Phil and Jane. Both set out starting their brands from scratch with just an idea. They have no industry knowledge, no connections, and don't know what to expect or how manufacturing really works. It turns out creating something new is not as easy as they thought it would be. So they start by searching online, as any of us would. Production has multiple steps and stages. Going through countless directories while trying to build your sourcing network takes a lot of time and can be a bit of a nightmare, especially if you don't know where to look. What if you could just find all companies in one place with just a couple of clicks for any product you want to create? And while Jane seems to be doing things the old way, Phil has discovered an easier way and is focusing on what's really important in life, getting things done and not stressing out about it. With simple guided inquiries, proposals from the best candidates, matchmaking you with the right suppliers worldwide, our software guides you through the whole process and enhances communication. Connect with the right production companies and specialists on Sewport, an online platform helping you turn ideas into products. You can become the next big thing with Sewport.